Alrighty, Chef Buck here, and today we're gonna cook us up a buffalo chicken pizza. You know, this is super duper flavorful, super easy to make. If you like buffalo wings and blue cheese with a little bit of carrots and celery on the side, you know how they serve that. If you like that, then you're gonna like this pizza. It's just like that, but without the carrots. If you got some leftover chicken, just chop it up. And then we're going to soak it in some hot sauce. What kind of hot sauce? Whatever the kind you want. Whatever you got in the fridge. Whatever your favorite hot sauce is. Just pour it all over your chicken chunks. Soak it. It seems like a lot, but that's okay because you're going to want a lot because we're going to use a lot of blue cheese, which is going to balance that heat out. In fact, I go ahead and soak my chicken in this hot sauce, and then I usually add some more because I want a lot, because you got to have that power, flavor, punch. Right? Because we're going to have blue cheese and celery. So this is the hot, flavorful element right here. So once you get your chicken soaking, we're going to go ahead and slice up some celery. A lot of celery. This is going to look like an ungodly amount of celery to put on top of a pizza. You're thinking, what? Celery pizza? But you know, this is what you need to balance out all that heat. You need a lot of celery and a lot of blue cheese dressing, because blue cheese dressing is essentially going to be our pizza sauce. Of course, it's going to be too saucy if you just use the dressing, right? It's going to be too runny, too liquidy. So we're going to add some blue cheese chunks to that, some blue cheese crumbles, lots of it. Mix it all up. You want it to have the consistency of like a cottage cheese or ricotta cheese, and that way it won't go running off your pizza, you know, while it's cooking. Now for our pizza dough, boom, I like to use pita bread, flatbread, something like that. I'm not going to make a damn pizza crust from nothing, from scratch, right? Camera Girl does that, but if I want a pizza, I want it no muss, no fuss. I'm looking for an easy meal, so I just use a flatbread, right? Go ahead and take your blue cheese and your blue cheese dressing mixture and spread it out over your bread right to the edge. Just leave a little bit of an edge for a crust, and go ahead and spread it nice and even and thick. And then we're going to top it with our hot sauce chicken chunks. Lots of it. You want to be generous with your chicken, and you want to be generous with your celery, because otherwise you're going to have too much of a blue cheese flavor. You're going to have too much soft goopy goop. So this celery is going to add a nice crunch, and the chicken's going to add a nice bite. So go heavy on it, right? And then we're going to top it with a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I know we got a lot of blue cheese on here already, but for it to be an actual pizza and feel like a pizza, you need to top it with a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Trust me, I've done it without it. Doesn't work. Now we're going to slide it in the oven, preheated at 400 degrees for about 10 or 12 minutes, 13 minutes, something like that, depending on how much you like the edge of your pizza done. As soon as it starts to brown up and get crispy around the edges the way you like, then it's finished. Super easy to make, doesn't take no time at all, very flavorful. If you like buffalo chicken wings and dipping sauce, then you're going to like this pizza. So give it a go, you're going to love it. Let me know what you think. Bon appetit. Damn leaf blowers. Alrighty, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you clicking on the video.